Hello.
I swear, freaking alarm's not going off.
No, here we go. This guy.
I swear. Because I wake up by your phone call, but I don't wake up to my alarm.
So weird. We're actually going straight up this morning. Didn't know it was possible at this point. Oh, brother. Do my daily dollar. Shocking. Why would the dealer ever bust on a 4? Well, let's see if he busts on a 5. Wow, he does. 9 out of 10. 19. 2 maybe. Damn it. The game is already so dumb. Pump.
Yeah, it's so bad.
Awesome. GG's. Oops.
Connection lost.
This goes to the top of the highs. You're actually gonna be new highs today.
Well, I didn't buy in, but
No, it was just
I was thinking about it.
yeah.
It's just hard because it flipped. The candle flipped like right at the very end, and then it was just like an instant pop. Hard to get in there. If it goes, it might just rip because that's the 15-minute opening range up there at 600s.
Breaks it.
Seems like a lot less volume today.
Yeah, that whole candle was so. That looked like a big candle. Just crazy. You said bottom.
I know, ES is ripping higher too.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you started to fall off.
What's up?
Just wasn't that you started to fall right there. This was look at those wigs. Let's look at what the fuck. This thing has to go through the 50-minute book at the top. No?
Order sub order filled.
Brittany, like,
What's up?
there's no like 10 o'clock news or anything today, right?
There is some 10 o'clock news, but it's not much. It's like the Michigan consumer rates or something. It's always the one that like never really does anything. Come on, don't do this to me.
You in?
Target filled.
Yeah, I just got filled. That was like a fucking tick away.
Get in on like the break it?
Yeah, I got in on the top of the 938 wick to the top of the 946 wick, and then I entered at 949. Some good flag, nice wick that they tried to push down and then bought right back up, and then also the break of the 15-minute. This is crazy. We're actually fucking going up. Yeah, ES is still fucking ripping straight up.
Really?
For the most part, yeah. Like ES broke the highs at 943. Its old highs. That like they both made the same highs at like 938 or something. Yeah. And NQ was still like the bottom of the range at 943, and ES was breaking above the high at 943. And then it had that whole move push up from there. Alright, I'm still looking for another one though. Hopefully I can find something. That easy. Let me see. 10 o'clock news is Michigan 1-year inflation expectations, 5-year inflation expectations, consumer expectations, consumer sentiment, and current conditions. I don't know. I feel like this one, whenever it comes out, does absolutely nothing. I think if you literally just bought at the 15-minute opening range break, I think it would have came. If you got in exactly on the tick, you would have got filled exactly to the tick on 20 points.
Yeah.
Let's see if this makes a new high or flags right here.
Go up to like 630s.
630s. No, that's the high. I got overnight highs at 695.
Next.
Are we just gonna see a red boner candle of death? I was gonna say I feel like it's been a while since we've seen that, but it hasn't. It's just been happening without the green candles.
Stay above that 15 opening rate and an opening rate.
And I could be interested if it comes back up. We're staying above the EMA, we're staying above the pivot. We're still just trying to break through the 15-minute. Nvidia and Apple are just straight sideways. Chop. ES is that push higher at 953 made a higher high on ES. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You would think we would have to get up at least to the 630s, but
Not.
maybe we would trace down to the 30s, the 530s, and then we go. We gotta fill in the gap.
I've seen one of those.
What's that?
One of those where it like barely breaks.
Bro, your weekly P&L is top right. Yeah, this one here. Whoa, 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 10 a.m. matters today. Jesus, the Michigan one never matters. Holy shit, buy, 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 buy. If you bought right now, let's see where I said it. Right at the 58s.
You would have been down. You would have got waked up.
No, it had already made its lowest wick.
No.
Man, that would have been a bad beat. If it hadn't made the lowest wick yet. But no, it seriously makes its lowest wick and then fucking pushes back up. Look at that. It would have been he would have won right there. Because it does the same thing every time. Now we gotta retrace this entire move. Jesus Christ. Dude, this is always the one we prepare for the most, and then you go, oh, really? 10 o'clock news? Because nothing happens. You're like, that was sick. And the one time I don't expect it to do anything, it fucking dopes. Just buy now. There's no way this thing goes down. We're right at VWAP.
No, I'll be right. I got shit. Gonna happen.
Oh, now we gotta retrace this whole news. Oh, shocking. If you buy. Well, I can't believe how much I moved. right at view up. Can you get view up on Ninja Trader? Jesus fucking Christ. What the fuck are these? Volume. I don't see it. Unless it's like this. I don't think that worked. Nope, that's not. That's not it. Every time news happens like this, if it's not fucking PMI or CPI or any of the absolute big ones, it always retraces. It always has to retrace the whole move. So we're at least going up to the 545s, at least. Oh, I swear, I say this every time. I should just buy it. I should. I don't know how to make a strategy out of it, but it retraces it every single fucking time. If it's not one of the big news events. I see you took a W trade. Yeah, I took this guy here. This breakout at the, what is that, 951? No, 949. I took the 949 break. It worked out well. What about you? You taking anything today, or did you just get on? I would have been solid because there was an obvious SMT. What, so would you have went short? Because on the ES it swept out the high or something? I don't. I like kind of know SMT, but I don't fully know it. Yeah, short. Okay. So what if ES sweeps out the high and NQ doesn't? It's more likely that. Actually, I don't see why that would be the case. Wouldn't you just think NQ would follow? Like you're like, oh, ES already took out the high. NQ will probably go up. Look at this. Look at this. Every single time.
Connection lost.
What the fuck? Connection lost. Okay. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Every single time it retraces the whole move. Every single time. Basically, when one is lacking, it's showing no power, so it's gonna go opposite direction. Oh, okay. So it's either way. It's not only like if ES takes out the high, and NQ doesn't, then it'll go down. Or if it's also the same, if MQ takes out the high and ES doesn't, then it'll go down. Like, it's, or obviously it doesn't have to, but it's like a confluence that can make it go down. I got you. Okay. That makes sense. Because if it's a really strong push, they're going to be pushing together. Yeah, okay. I agree with that. Could make sense. Honestly, like, I wonder if it would help me. Obviously, not to go fucking ICT, but just for like, I wonder if there's some stuff I could add in and keep like just like my flag strategy or whatever. Only add that in to kind of, I don't know, like boost my win rate a little bit or something like that if I have like a better idea. Because like sometimes I'll get in and like I'm in like some Discord. I don't pay for it. It's just like some guy I met in like someone else's chat, and then he invited me into it, and like I'll get in and I'll be like that is, or I'll get like I'll enter and I'll be like, wow, that is exactly where I took my long or whatever, and like those are the trades I lose when like straight reverses, and I'm like, I wonder if I could avoid losses if I added like some ICT confluences in, but I don't know. I'd have to learn them. And I do see sometimes these guys like absolutely like fucking top tick or bottom tick. I just don't know how often that's actually happening. The chart's all fucked up. Tech is, I hit my PR in the gym the other day on bench. It was crazy, which is like 1/3 of the amount of bench that you can. But I hit. Well, it's on a Smith machine, so you got to take away 20 pounds, which is sad. But for my last set, I hit. I'm weak. All right, keep this in mind. I'm weak. I got long arms. That's my excuse. We do sets of 10, so this was my 4th set. So I started with like just a plate, but it's on the Smith machine, so it doesn't really count. And I just did a plate and 10 on each side, a plate and 5 on each, or a plate and 15 on each side, and a plate and 20 on each side. And I've never hit a plate and 20 for 10 reps on my 4th set, so now I get to go up. But what's your body weight? I'm a big fatty. I'm 200. So not impressive
Dude,
at all.
fucking
Actually, very weak.
huge.
I'm lanky though. It's not my fault. I'm not fat. I swear.
Yeah, lanky.
I was telling Tekkas about my PR on the Smith bench.
Wow.
I know a lot of people who can't even do a play. Yeah, but I've also been going to the gym for a year, so I mean, more like a year and a half. And it's also on Smith, so form plays a big factor. I feel like it's hard to have bad form on the Smith machine.
Yeah, it pretty much does everything for you.
Yeah, like you just have to fucking touch it to your chest and fucking let it push. Which is crazy the amount of people you see that actually. I mean, we go to fucking Planet Fitness, so you definitely see some strange things going on. You definitely see some. I lied. You definitely can see some people doing bad bench form, even on Smith machines. Johnny, it's shocking, isn't it? Instantly retraces the entire news move. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah,
It's almost like it happens every fucking time. We'll see how I do today on dumbbell chest. Hopefully, I'll press some.
maybe
I think I need to press 65s for it to be a PR, which I doubt that's gonna happen. But I think I've only done 60s.
I'm feeling really good today. Maybe I'll try to hit 75s again.
I got a Monster. I should drink it now. Get my caffeine going now. Like I'm not drawing a wick off this fucking news candle. I refuse to do it. I refuse. If I heard your story word for word. Tequila.
Tequila!
Thanks. How many accounts are you trading?
You're talking tickets?
No, you.
I think I hit 4.
What are they? 3 My Funded Futures?
Now I blew some of those. And then I had like some Apexes that I just like got like later.
Is that what you have? 4 Apexes?
No, I have my one My Funded Future and 3 Apexes.
I gotcha.
But they're all like less than 1 hour from getting blown, so
Well, I definitely take something today regardless. So.
yeah.
Just think passing evals. Just think of it. It's gonna be awesome. Tequila. Not that crazy of a range today. Is it 560 to... No, is that right? 560 to 608? Is that the whole range? Oh, I'm on the fucking ES. I'm like, what? I'm like, this is definitely not right. I'm like, what is happening here? 437 to... It's only 183 points. Not a lot for what's been happening. There's something happening in here. I refuse to short this at VWAP. The VWAP.
Oh, wop.
The VWAP. What is right if everybody's wrong? This is gonna do a push down to like the 70s, is my guess. Then we're gonna spike up to like the 12s. Ready? Here we go. Here's the push down to the 70s. Nope. Never mind. I don't know what's going on. What is right if everybody's wrong? Yeah, I literally don't know why you didn't trade the rest of him yesterday. I'm just trying to get him back up, and then you could have used today as an eval day.
I should have. I should just fucking just get in randomly.
I think we need one more push higher before we go lower here, if we go lower. This is where I always get baited. I'm like, oh, it's flagging, but it hasn't had its severe spike up yet, which it always needs before it makes the move, which is what I got caught in yesterday. Here we go. That's the flip of the candle. VWAP's holding us up. Oh, here's the break. This is definitely bait. It's bait. There's no way we go lower.
No way.
No way. This is bait. I've seen it before. I've seen it. It's trapping the shorts. Big trappy. Big trap. It's massive. It's just a trap. Fuck.
I don't know. I came in today thinking I was like so long biased, which I say you can't be biased. You shouldn't be biased, but I was. And I've been like looking for long. So
I honestly thought you were gonna take the long from like 9:43 on that push up.
yeah, I wanted to. I was gonna like. Well, I said I wanted to wait for the 15-minute opening range. So
Oh,
I was doing that, and then I also wanted it to just like stay above, and then I was gonna 15-minute opening range. I was gonna go for a long, but it immediately retraced. So that was
well, we just bounced off the 15-minute opening range. Oh wow. Well.
we're right about the trap in the shorts, possibly.
was gonna say sweeping the opening lows, but it's not the opening lows. Or like they already got swept by news. I honestly have no idea where we go from here.
Please.
Maybe we go straight up because I think there's an SMT on NQ and ES.
SMT fair value get unicorn total soup.
Yeah, NQ swept out the or went lower from 1020 to 1021, and ES made equal lows. So that means we have to go higher based on stats and facts.
Facts.
It's already looking like there's not going to be another trade for me. I don't think I want to get long or short until we're out of.
Either way, I'm just gonna take something, even if it's
Yeah.
just like kind of random. I don't really care at this point.
We're just right in the middle of the day. What is right if everybody's wrong? You made 370 today on MNQ, done for the day. Nice. What was the trade? MNQ. Is MNQ, do they sync up like the number wise or no? Is it different numbers? No, I think it's the same. Do we bounce off the VWAP again?
The VWAP.
The VWAP. we're going nowhere fast. When we do go back to a normal market, it's going to be so bad. Or it's going to feel so slow.
I don't even know, like, if this is just how it is now, or
I don't know. But we've literally had like days where it's like the top and bottom of the range is like 60 or 80 points. A long, long time ago.
yeah.
So if we go back to that, I'm gonna be so bored. Did you get short there or no?
I would wait until this breaks the.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. Definitely wasn't a perfect setup, but I figured you were taking something, so you're gonna take something.
Still would want to wait till the range.
Let's see if we chop back up here, if we actually drop lower.
Yeah.
Candle's getting swallowed up. If it comes down now, do you short it?
I want to buy the range break. That's all I want. What I'm like looking for. It's just sitting above it.
We're going lower. SMT right now.
Yeah.
ES swept the highs. NQ didn't. It means we have to go lower. I don't know how they judge that though, because you can't like the NQ just go up the next candle and then put like sweep it. I don't get it.
Okay.
So SMT, and now it's gonna inverse fair value gap it, or inverse the fair value gap or something,
That's the thing.
with a change of character and display. Or no, not display. I forget what else they would say in this situation. Yeah, oh no, yeah, not the change. The change of state delivery. Like that candle right there, change of state delivery off the inverse.
mean, this thing's just straight sideways. I don't know. Why?
No, we're going lower here. I'm convinced. We gotta sweep out the data lows, as they say, as the kids say.
Oh yeah,
Yep.
as they say. They all say it, and only freaking 1% of people are profitable. That means it has to happen, right?
1% of people. There's like 10% of people. There's just like 0.1% of people that are ICT traders that are profitable.
Yeah.
Telling you, we're going lower. Here we go.
Can't say I told you we're going lower when we barely see the fucking red candle.
Here we go. Here we go. It's gonna break through
It
the
still
VWAP
didn't even
right
break
here.
the low.
It's gonna break through the VWAP.
Oh, it's gonna hold, and then I'm gonna have to sit there with my dick in my hand while it goes higher.
No, no, don't say that. There was
Like
clear
that.
SMT.
Dude, I literally told you.
It was clear SMT. It's foolproof. Holy crap! Nvidia is just chopped sideways all day. Apple, it's been going lower. QQQ is at the pivot point right now, hanging on for dear life.
I feel like we've been due for a day for just nothing to happen, really.
Yeah, I got very top of day.
Literally, you like just got the wick too.
Or I got filled by. Yeah, I was 10 points. I got filled with 10 points to spare. That's like if I won yesterday instead of lost, that's a $700 difference in my accounts. Some of my accounts would be at 52,000 right now.
Yep.
It's a big difference, and that makes me like one day away if I have like a good day where I make like $600 to $800 in a day.
Yep.
It put me one day away from a payout. But
Yeah.
oh, here we go. Breaking short it right now. Short it. No, it's not. It already came crashing down to it. It's gotta have a retracement first, and then there we go. Here's the push up. Yep, here's a retracement. Simple math. This candle's gonna flip. Here we go. And nope, I wouldn't be in yet. Well, then it retraced all of. Okay.
Well, there goes my accounts.
You got it.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna sit around and wait for the fucking nothing all day. I'm like, I don't even. He's already chalked anyway. I don't even think I literally like bought it, sat around. I was up for a couple point, like a point, 2 points, and it immediately pulled up and immediately stopped because I think I only had like 8 points in drawdown.
Nice. Oh, choppy day.
Well, it's not like I got wicked out.
True.
I don't really. Those are the ones I don't care about. When you're already like, okay, they got a full reset.
Yep. Dude, how many days in a row have we gone with both of us winning? Or without both of us winning? It has been
Never happens. Never happens.
so many days, which is crazy. Oh, we are literally just straight chop right now. I should literally just turn it off because I don't even want to be enticed to take another trade. Like if it comes back down again, I'll be like, oh, it has to go short now, but no, it doesn't. It's a choppy day. I think I'm happy with my 400. So technically, I'm up $100 more from yesterday or from the beginning of yesterday, because I lost $300 yesterday, and today I made 400. So even though I was basically win a trade, lose a trade, I'm up. So on the week, I had one losing trade of minus 0.78R, two winning trades of plus 1R, and then a winning trade of plus 1R only in 3 of the accounts, and the rest were break even. So. Well, we are ripping higher. Yeah, and I don't think this is worth anything at this point. I think I'm calling it early. That's it.
Calling it too.
Yeah, good call.
Daily dollar. We gotta make